Welcome to this video on building a multi-SKU publishing empire. We will explore how to transform a single creative idea into an entire shop filled with best-selling products. Many shops struggle with three common AI pitfalls: style drift, where visual consistency is lost; the flat look, which causes images to feel cheap; and the single listing trap, where growth halts after one product. Meet Arcana Deck AI. This solution provides locked-in consistency for your card decks, offers luxurious finishes like chrome and holographic effects, and delivers high-resolution, ready-to-print files for tarot and poker sizes. Unlock the full potential of your products with a 78-card tarot structure. By including the minor arcana, you move beyond starter decks and access premium markets with diverse themes. The Arcana Coloring Book AI engine goes beyond simple filters. It offers 8 distinct line art styles, opening new opportunities in the mindfulness and stress relief markets, while creating unique, separate listings. Arcana Storybook AI simplifies book creation. From a single input, it generates a narrative arc and maintains character consistency across 54 pages, preparing your work for KDP publishing. Shift your strategy by focusing on art-led collectibles, rather than just readings. By targeting specific occasions and offering personalization, you can command premium pricing. Use the hub-and-spoke blueprint to feed multiple lanes. One master theme can be distributed across digital downloads, KDP print books, print-on-demand items, and exclusive growth bundles. Turn digital decks into physical ephemera books. With single-sided print gating and added value like journal prompts and matching tiles, you create a tangible product buyers can collect. This table highlights the complete ecosystem. From starter tarot decks to illustrated storybooks, each product tier serves a different buyer and offers diverse revenue potential. Your path to launch involves 4 steps: picking a theme, generating hero cards, expanding into a full deck, and spinning off into coloring and storybooks. It is about using the right engine to scale.